In this video, we will review how to understand the graduation timeline found in your major's graduation pathway document. The graduation timeline is a guide that shows the courses you are recommended to take each semester in order to graduate in 4 years. You can think of it as a roadmap that helps you visualize your time at Coastal Carolina University. While it is helpful to generally follow this timeline, remember that it is only a guide. There is flexibility in your schedule, and it is completely normal if some courses are taken in a different order. Now, let's take a look at an example graduation timeline together. Your graduation timeline is organized by academic year. First year, second year, third year, and fourth year. Each year is then divided into fall and spring semesters. Within each semester, you will see the courses that students in your major are typically recommended to take during that term. For each semester, you may see several types of information. You may see specific courses required for your major, core curriculum categories where you can choose from a list of course options, credit hours assigned to each course, and notes or prerequisites that may be important to consider. When a specific course is listed, you will see both the course prefix and course number, along with the course title. Some courses are required for all students at Coastal Carolina University. For example, UNIV 110 First Year Seminar appears in the first semester for every major. When you begin selecting and registering for your first semester classes, you may sometimes find that a course is already full. This is where your graduation timeline becomes especially helpful. If a course recommended for the fall semester is unavailable, check the next semester on your timeline. You may be able to take a course listed for the following semester as long as you meet the prerequisites or requirements for that course. Some students come to Coastal Carolina University with college credit from high school. In the next module, we will explain how those credits apply to your degree. When you identify courses that you already have credit for, be sure to cross those off and remove them from your graduation timeline, so that way you do not plan to take them again. Your graduation pathway document is an important planning tool. Keep this document open as you work through the course and refer to it when selecting your first semester classes. It will help you understand which courses you should take and how they fit into your path toward graduation.